Alright, Paul, me and Paul out here on the water. Paul's putting the trolling motor on, get the battery on there. Time is approximately 5 p.m. A lot of wind today. That's about 30 miles per hour. It's a river out here. Let's see what we can get today, man. Yeah, baby, just got one on a spinnerbait. We've been here for a while. Haven't got nothing. Now, finally got myself one. See, guys, I was saying, gotta put that trail hook on there. You got both hooks that time. He is not coming off. Good, man. Paul's got one on too. We finally hit it. We got the spot. We have located the bass.
Ooh, he's a nice one.
A nice one. Let's weigh this guy. Give him some water. About a half a pound right there. 2. And I release.
Yeah, weigh him up now. It's probably 3/4 right here. We got
Pound and a half. Nice. Nice fish right there. Got him on the red crankbait, right, Paul? Red crankbait. I got mine the watch out. Booyah! Chartreuse and white spinnerbait. Just got another one, guys, on the spinnerbait. On the spinnerbait, yeah. Trail hook, that's the got him. The trail hook got him. See what I mean? Trail hook always. It's a good pound. Let's weigh this baby. I got the new scale. Gotta try it out, you know. It's about 3/4 of a pound right there. Nice bass on that spinnerbait again. 3/4 of a pound. Release. The wind has calmed down a lot, guys. A lot. But we got him so far. I got him on the spinnerbait, he got him on the crank. And the water's usually very clear here and deep. But with all that rain we got, it made it very stained. So we switched up to different color lures. A little bit of, you know, brightness in there with the chartreuse. So we got the pattern down now, and they're on. Alright guys, just got one on a crankbait. Just swipe at it. Let's see what this one weighs. He's too small and weighing, but probably about a ½ pound. Good little fish. Got him right over here by that tree. Good little fish right there. Release. They hit it like almost as soon as I started cranking it.
Yeah. 5 today.
Paul's got one, and I'm hung up. It's about a ½ pound, that 60 shad again.
Fuck this shit up. Yeah,
Another one for Paul.
½ pound probably.
Paul's got one. Little guy, and that 60 shad again. Thing's coming through like crazy.
Little guy.
Yo, Paul's got a big one on, man. Paul's got a big one, man.
Look at the drag. Give me the neck, get the neck, get the neck, get the neck, get the neck.
Hold on. This is by you.
Oh yeah, he's a
Nice.
daddy. He's a daddy. That my own piece of fat.
Got it.
Oh,
Nice,
pig.
nice.
He's a pig. 2 pigs in a row.
Nice.
Take it, take it. Look at the mouth on him.
Look at that baby, guys.
I like the country music, I think.
Maybe. That's a good 2 pounds.
Yeah, he's
On that damn 60 shad crankbait every time.
it's like a fish right there. The net all hooked up in the
Let's
hooks.
weigh that bitch.
Alright, let me get him in a minute.
You need pliers?
I just need to get the net off this shit. The net all hooked up in my... Let me see them pliers.